What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys my first little DIY video for you. So I know a lot of you moms right now are stuck with all your kids because schools are closed due to this amazing vicious virus that's happening. It really sucks the situation we're in, but why not take the time and sit with our kids and, you know, make this an opportunity to see what they actually learn in school. I have a toddler, so mine doesn't go to school, but it is time for me to work with her on number recognition, colors, ABCs, etc. She is 20 months, so I find that it is very important because they're little sponges. So today I'm going to show you how to make an activity folder. It's really simple. Basically, you just grab a folder. You'll just need a folder. These are old that I had, so I'm just going to reuse it. These are library pocket cards. You can also make one out of actually an envelope. You can use the envelope because what we're going to do is paste it back here. So if you have an envelope laying around in your house, you can use the envelope as well. But I already have these, so I'm just going to use my little library pocket cards. You'll need a glue stick. I don't think we'll need scissors, but I have them just in case. You'll need some adhesive, Velcro, and then you'll need obviously the numbers so that we can play the matching game. So we are doing 1 through 10 only because right now you should only be focusing on a few numbers. I would preferably do 1 through 5, but because I want to be able to save this and her continue to use them and not make 2 folders, we're going to do 1. So we're going to get started first. What we're going to do is actually place where we want our numbers to be. So we're going to go, I am going to do it this way to save space. So we'll do 1 through 5 on one, and then 6 through 10 on the other side of the folder. So now that I have my placement, I'll just start gluing. So let's get started. All right, guys, now that we've glued all our numbers, I'm also going to go to the back real quick and glue the little pocket because this is where the numbers will be kept and we'll store them so that they don't get lost. So, you know, we'll put this, so we'll glue the pocket in the back of the folder. So now that we've done that, this is what it should look like. And this is the back. It's really simple, guys. And if you don't have any of these, guys, there are a bunch of things that you can download online and just cut out the numbers and it'll be the same thing. I just already have them, so why not use them? So next we're gonna go ahead and grab our other matching numbers. We're gonna put the Velcro part on the actual number here and then this part on here. So we'll do it, I'll do it on the side because they've got to match the number, so they'll have to be able to recognize it. So we'll do it this way. Now that we've glued all that, we'll put the other part on the back of the actual matching number. And you're gonna have to kind of like put it on the side where, you know, where it's gonna be glued down. So it'll be this way. Do number 2. Just kind of make sure you do it on the right side. All right, guys, so it's that simple. We're all done. Here it is. So basically what the concept is, they'll end up having to match all the numbers, so it'll make them start recognizing it. Notice that these circles actually have color on the side, which also can help with color matching. So you can teach 4 yellow. Where is 4 yellow? And they would know that this is 4 and this is yellow. So it's actually a 2-in-1. When you print out your version of your numbers, you can do the same thing. Just color it yourself. Like I said, I already have these, so why not? And then you just basically take them off. You do these things with them. They have a bunch of fun, and they think it's the funnest thing ever. And then mom is teaching at the same time. And then we just put them up in their little pocket. The Velcro made them too fat, but this is the concept. And then we're all done, guys. So this is your number matching activity folder. Try it at home. Let me know how it worked for you. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you want to see more of these. Thank you guys so much for watching another video of my DIYs. I hope to bring many more of these to you. So thank you so much. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe and click the little bell so that you get notified the next time I post a video. Thank you.